guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about my braid care maintenance. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I care for my braids. Now I've had these particular crochet braids for just a smidge over a month, and I have been enjoying these braids. I totally love these 32-inch Senegalese crochet twists. Now to control the itchiness, I use this own Naturale anti-itch medicated spray on my scalp. This really helps the itchiness. I love this stuff. I've been using this on my scalp for a long time, and I really do enjoy it. And I just pick it up from my local beauty supply store. And the bottle this size, this larger bottle, is like $3. They do have a smaller size, and it's like $1.99. You can usually find it along the registers and near the edge control and all of that good stuff. But I promise you, if you suffer from itchy scalp, this will be your savior. And now I just massage it all in. Just massage it into the scalp, girl. Because like I said, we ain't got time to be having itchy scalps out here in this summer heat. Alright, now to keep that itchiness totally at bay and to prevent any flakiness, if you have dry scalp, this oil is perfect. I love the Do Grow Anti-Itch Growth Oil. It works wonders for the scalp. Love it. And once I have my scalp coated, I just massage it in, because if you don't massage it in, girl, this oil will be dripping down your face, and you don't want that. You don't want to be a greasy mess out here in these streets. Massage it in, okay? So once I'm done massaging it in, I go ahead and style my hair however I want to wear it. Usually I've just been wearing it in my up-down do. But this is the Edge Naturale Follicle Enhancer. This stuff is bomb.com. I love the way it feels on my edges. I primarily use this on my edges to keep my edges growing, thriving, and strong, girl, because you know, wearing these protective styles like braids can be taxing on the edges. And I just massage this in to my edges. And like I said, I just love the way it feels. It feels all tingly and good. And I will have all the ingredients listed on my blog post, so be sure to check that link out down below and get yourself hooked up with Edge Follicle Enhancer. Take care of those edges, girl. We need our edges. Edges are everything. My edges are everything, okay? Next, I'm going to lay my edges with my Hicks Edge Control. This is among my favorites of edge control. I love this one. I love the consistency of it. It's really nice, and I love the way it lays my baby hairs, okay? And like I said, these braids are just over a month old, so a lot of my shorter hairs and baby hairs have slipped out of the braids. So you need that edge control to lay them down and keep your hair looking all neat around the front. And this is very easy to do. So once I have the edge control on the hairs, I just use this little edge control brush / comb combination to swoop them up and style them up, okay, just like this, like so. And I just do it until I'm happy with the look. Some swirly goodness in the front, you know. Okay, looking good. I'm liking it so far. Okay, alright. Bam! We're ready. baby hairs on fleeky fleek. On fleek. Yes. Yes. Loving it. She's ready. She's ready. Out here looking cute. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ready for makeup, girl. Ready for the cute outfit, and we are out the door. So make sure you check out the blog post to get yourself hooked up with Edge Naturale, girl. Keep those edges healthy.